Hello everyone, and I'm going to be playing Scratch. I'm going to be making you guys learn like a tutorial for Scratch. So first, I'm gonna do an About Me project. So what you need to do is like get first things first. I'm gonna get what's my favorite. What's my favorite? My favorite food. Food over here. Okay. What food will? Fruit. A fruit bowl. Now I'm gonna get a bowl. Convert to vectors and look at this. And I'm gonna get white there. And let's make it just like so. Because I want to make it look like a bowl. There. And I'm also going to move this backwards. So make it a different color. Right? And go over here to make it look more like yeah. There we are. So it's kind of just like this. And this white part right there. Let's there, that's a nice white. The whole thing is colored in that color. And now it looks more like a book. Easy, right? Fruits, so I like fruits and stuff. So let's get looks category. Over here. Say hello and everything. So this is just that we're gonna only start with an easy one, and my name is Genda, by the way. So I like fruit. Alright, here we are. I like fruit. When this bright click block, it means when I click, it says I like fruit. There. Now let's get another sprite. So what can I do next? What animal do I want? Animal. I want a butterfly. Butterflies are not scary like cats. I feel like cats are like a little scary. They can literally just give you a scratch in 2 seconds. So the butterfly, I want to color the butterfly though. We're the same color. Some pink. And I'm gonna get some purple. There we are. Darker. And I made it purple. I made a purple butterfly because I like purple and pink. And we're gonna say, I'm gonna get when this bright click block, looks category. There we are. And I'm gonna say I want a pet butterfly. There's a fly. There. I want a pet butterfly. So what else can I get is what do I want to be when I grow up? Or color! My favorite color. That's good. I'm gonna look for a button. There's a button. There's a good button. Where are you? So this is a bit purple. Make it a little darker. There. I want it to be lighter and softer. Wait, lighter. This is a little bit not that dark. A little later. Actually, purple just so it can look like it's lighter. There. That. And over here, but I want it to be darker. So over here, darker. And we're gonna make this a little darker too. There. So we're done making that button purple. Say something. What can it say? I can say. Don't say my favorite color is purple. My favorite color is purple. There we are. Over here, events when this right click block, put it right there. Done. So, I'm gonna make maybe 3 more, and that's it. So I'm gonna get a... Yeah, I know what to get. Oh, let's write button. Home button, that's what I wanted. So I know how to do this. Minus. Over here. So what I want to do is I want to make it bigger. So this, delete. We need to color it. Like pink. Purple maybe. It's a good color. I like these colors. And it's gonna say start. Just to make it a little complex. And we're gonna make the color white. There we are. Done. Now we need to make this have a message. Over here. Broadcast message 1. So run this right click block. It's gonna be really easy actually when you think about it. Hide. Click it, it hides. And broadcast message 1 is when it's clicked. So now we need to get the green flag click block, go over to the looks category and get a show block. So when I click this, it shows. So I click on that, and there. So over here, I'm gonna get right over here. When I receive message 1, it's gonna so over here, I'm gonna get this, and let's go to the looks category, show, hide. And let's do the same for the other ones. Show, hide, events, when I receive broadcast message 1. Over here, no, not this. There, when I receive message 1 and when the flag clicked block. Over here, hide, show. And that's click, there we are. Start, now they're back. So over here, I want to get this out, so I can just put it right here. There. And now, click over here, start, and I like bird. I want a pet butterfly, and my favorite color is purple. So I'm just going to show you how I do it. Click on the fruit. It says I like fruit. I want a pet butterfly. My favorite color is purple. So again, I use when this sprite click block, say the say block for 2 seconds, when green flag click block, hide block, and when I receive message 1 or message 2, when I receive block message. When I receive message 1, 2, you can do whatever you like. Show. And I also use the broadcast message 1 block. And yeah, that is it for today. And don't forget to like and subscribe and see the next video, part 2 of Learning Scratch. Bye!